So you want to voice over your clip, existing clip. So as you can see, I have one clip here. It's a random clip. So to voice over it in Premiere Pro, what you have to do, first just mute the existing clip or the voice which is in your timeline just by clicking this mute button here. And to record the new voiceover, you can do it in another section, like here the audio 1, audio 2, A2. So just in the audio 2, click on this voiceover record button. And one more thing, if you don't have this button here, so what you can do, just right click. And yeah, one more thing, if you don't have this A1, A2, A3, the audio tracks, so you can also add some tracks by clicking this button. Okay, and to add this voiceover button, just right click it, customize, and just drag this and drop here if you don't have it. Okay, so the another important thing, the mic, through which mic you are going to record your audio. So just go to Premiere Pro, preferences, and audio hardware. From here, the default input is your system's microphone. So if you have any additional USB type of mic, so you can select it from here, otherwise it's alright. So do it okay. And beside that, one more important thing, while you start recording your audio, the main thing is you should lower your system's volume to 0, like this. Otherwise what will happen, whatever you are recording, it will keep on playing at the same time, so the voice will be interrupted. So let me show you now. If I click on this voiceover record, it will show a counter, and yes, so the recording is now started, as you can see. Yeah, once you are done, just click on that icon again, so you can see the new clip is here. Now to listen that, you just have to first unmute your device, some music, and just press play. And yes, so the recording is now started, as you can see. Yeah, so very simple, just only 2 points. Click on it, select your input device, and mute the system's voice. That's all. Thanks.